Welcome to dear students, Tejas Science and Maths classes, and my channel. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Today, discuss about SSLC summative assessment SA-1 for the year 2024 and 25. Science key answers. First question is choose the correct alternative and write with its letter of alphabet. The question is the SI unit of potential difference is given 4 options: ampere, volt, ohm, coulomb. The right answer is volt. Next question, in Fleming's left hand rule, the forefinger indicates options is magnetic field, electricity, motion, potential difference. Correct answer is magnetic field. Third question, among the following arrangement of resistors, a combination that gives the total resistance of 13.5 is. The right answer is C. Next, answer the following questions. Fourth question is cross section of a conductor is directly proportional to the flow of current. Give reason. Answer is when cross section of the conductor increases, current also increases because resistance decreases. Next, fifth question is the magnetic field produced in a circular coil of conductor having 10 turns is 10 times as large as that is produced by a single turn. Give reason. Answer, current in each circular turn has the same direction and the field due to each turn add up. Next, can an electric heater of 2 kilowatt be connected to a domestic circuit rated 5 ampere and has a potential difference of 220 volt? Support your answer. Answer is no. Current required for electric heater is P is equal to V into I is equal to P by V. P is given 2000 and V 220 volt. So answer is 9.09 ampere as the current flowing through the circuit is 9.09 ampere and rating of the fuse is less than the required rating, so fuse will melt. Next question, answer the following questions. Draw a circuit diagram that shows combination of resistance in parallel straight conductor. That figure. Draw the diagram that indicates the field lines of magnetic field around current carrying straight conductor. That's figure. Next, answer the following questions. An electric lamp whose resistance 25 ohm and a conductor of 5 ohm resistance are connected to a 5-volt battery in series. Calculate. First one is the total resistance of the circuit. Second one is the current flowing in the circuit. Third one is the potential difference across the electric lamp and the conductor. Given R1 25 ohm, R2 5 ohm and volt is 5 volt. First one is the total resistance of the circuit. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 is 25 plus R2 is 5. Total is 30 ohm. Second question answer, the current following in the circuit I is equal to V by R. V given 5, R given 30, divided. The answer is 0.16 ampere. Third one is potential difference across the electric lamp. Potential across the electric lamp, V is equal to I into R. V is equal to 0.16 into R 25 is equal to 4.16 volt. Potential difference across the conductor, V is equal to IR. V is equal to 0.16 into 5 is equal to 0.83 volt. Next, or 50 joules of heat is produced each second in a 2 ohm resistance. Find the potential difference across the resistor. Given R 2 ohm, heat 50 joule, time 1 second. What is the volt? H is equal to I square RT. H 50 is equal to I square into 2 into 1. I square is equal to 50 by 2, 25. I is equal to 5 ampere. V is equal to R into I. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 volt. Next, in domestic circuit, what are the reason for overloading? Answer is accidental hike in the supply voltage connecting too many appliances to a single socket. Third one is when live wire and neutral wire come into direct contact. B1 is what is the need of 15 ampere and 5 ampere circuit. 15 ampere circuit rating of appliances with higher power rating such as geyser, air coolers, etc. The other circuit is of 5 ampere circuit rating for bulbs, fans, etc. Next question, explain the activity to determine the flow of current is different for different components. The answer is take two devices with different resistance, connected them in parallel, connect an ammeter in series with both the devices. Switch on the circuit and note the reading in both ammeters and compare. We will observe different reading in both the ammeter. This show that the flow of current is different for different components. Next question, answer the following questions. 12th question, explain an activity of draw the field lines around a bar magnet using a compass and a bar magnet. Write the properties of magnetic field lines. Answer is, take a small compass and a bar magnet. Place a magnet on a sheet of white paper fixed on a drawing board. Mark the boundary of the magnet. Place the compass near the north pole of the magnet. Mark the position of two ends of the needle. Now move the needle to a new position such that the south pole occupies the positions previously occupied by its north pole. In this way, produced step by step, we reach the south pole of the magnet. Join the point marked on the paper by a smooth curve. This presents field line. Next, properties of magnetic lines of force. Field lines are arise from north pole and end into south pole. Second one is field line are closed curves. Third one is field lines are closer in stronger magnetic field. Fourth one is field lines never intersect each other. Next question is, explain an activity to show that a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field experiences mechanical force. Explain the rule that helps to find the direction of force exerted on conductor. Shown this figure is right on answer. Take a small aluminum rod AB for about 5 cm using two connecting wires spanned in horizontally from a stand as shown in figure. Place a strong horseshoe magnet in such a way that the rod lines between the two poles with a magnetic field directed upwards. Pass current through the aluminum rod from end B to end A. The rod is displaced towards the left. Reserve the direction of current flowing through the rod is displaced towards the right. Fleming's left hand rule. Stretch the thumb, forefinger and middle finger for your left hand such that they are mutually perpendicular. If the forefinger points in the direction of magnetic field and the middle finger in the direction of current, then the thumb will point in the direction of motion or the force acting on the conductor. Next question is 13a. Resistivity of materials A, B and C at 200 coulomb are given in table. Which material can be used as conductor and which material can be used as an insulator? Justify your answer given this table. Answer B can be used a conductor. Reason its resistivity is least. C can be used in a insulator. Reasons its resistivity is highest. Second one is question: why does the cord of an electric heater not glow while the heating elements does? Answer: the resistance of the element of an electric heater is very high. As current flow through the heating element, it becomes too hot and glow red. On the other hand, the resistance of the cord is low. It does not become red when current flow through it. Next, part B, chemistry. Question: choose the correct alternative and write the answer. 14 question: an endothermic reaction among the following is: options is burning of natural gas, heating of lead nitrate, decomposition of organic matter, breaking down of complex food, heating of lead nitrate. Answer: 15 question is the litmus paper that changed its color when exposed to the fumes of nitric acid is: options is wet blue litmus paper, wet red litmus paper, dry blue litmus paper, dry red litmus paper, wet blue litmus paper. Next question is ohm. On heating, the current powder becomes black. This is due to: options is burning of copper, the formation of copper carbonate, oxidation of copper, the absorptions of heat. Answer is oxidation of copper. Answer the following questions. 17 question: what are alkalis? Answer is bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. 18 question: keeping food in air tight container is a better practice. Why? Answer: this prevents rancidity or prevents oxidation. 19 question is dentist dentist recommend the use of basic toothpaste. Why? Basic toothpaste neutralizes acid produced in the mouth and prevents tooth decay. Answer the following questions. Question is balance the following chemical equations: barium chloride, sulfuric acid, barium sulfate and hydrochloric acid, aluminum plus copper chloride, aluminum chloride plus copper. Next question: translate the following statement into chemical equation and balance the equation. Chemical equation: hydrogen sulfide plus oxygen gives rise to H2O plus SO2. Balanced equation is 2H2S plus 3O2 gives rise to 2H2O plus 2SO2. Next question is observe the Below figure, answer the questions given. In which set does the bulb glow? Given reason for your answer. In set 1, bulb will glow. Set 1 bulb is glow. Hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid dissociate in aqueous solution to from hydrogen ions. These ions conduct electricity. Next, observe the given figure. Question: name X, Y, Z in the above figure. X, this is X, hydrogen H2. This is Y, sodium hydroxide NaOH. Sorry, this is X, chlorine Cl2. This is Y, hydrogen H2, and this is Z, sodium hydroxide NaOH. Next question: name the product produced by the action of 10th on. Sorry, name the produce. Name the product produced by the action of X on dry slicked lime. Bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride CaOCl2, calcium hydroxide plus Cl2 gives rise to CaOCl2 plus H2O. Next question. Observe the given figure that demonstrates a chemical change and answer the following questions. A product P is obtained in this reaction on passing carbon dioxide on P. A slut Q is obtained, name P and Q. Answer: P calcium hydroxide CaOH2, Q calcium carbonate CaCO3. Next question is what happened when produced Q is heated? Answer is it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. CaCO3 gives rise to CaO plus CO2. Answer the following questions. Draw the diagram showing the arrangement of apertures for the reaction of zinc granules with dial, sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning label. First one is zinc granules, second one is delivery tube. Next question is what observation helps to determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place? Answer is change in color, evaluation of a gas, change in temperature, change in state. Next question is B. Name the gases that liberate at cathode and anode duration the electrolysis of the water. Gas liberated at cathode hydrogen H2, gas liberated at anode oxygen O2. Applying baking soda to the honeybee stung area is an immediate relief. How? Explain. Honeybee stung injects methanoic acid which causes pain. Baking soda is a mild base. Applying baking soda nullifies the effect of acid and gives relief. Next question is a student detects the pH of A, B, C, and D solutions as 12, 3, 6, and 7 respectively. Predict the nature of these solutions. Justify your answer. Answer is A is a basic solution. Reason pH is more than 7. B and C are acidic solutions. Reason pH is less than 7. D neutral solution. Reason pH is 7. Next, answer the following questions. Question is an iron nail is kept immersed in a beaker having copper sulfate solution. After few minutes, a brownish coat developed on the iron nail and the blue color of copper sulfate solutions fades. Mention the type of chemical reaction and write the chemical equation for the same displacement reaction. Fe plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus Cu. What are the reason for the change that happen in this reaction? Since iron is more reactive than copper, it's displace copper from copper sulfate solution. Displaced copper gets deposited on the iron nail. Next part C, biology. Choose the correct alternative and write the answer. Question is glucose breaks down into pyruvate in options is mitochondria, yeast cell, muscle cells, cytoplasma. Answer is cytoplasma. Next question cerebrum, thinking, medulla. Options is vomiting, smelling, dilation of the pupil, walking on straight line. Answer is vomiting. Next question. Answer the following questions. Question is the arteries have thick elastic wall, whereas the veins have thin wall with valves. Why? Blood flow with answer is blood flow with greater pressure in arteries, whereas in veins the pressure is less. Next question, observe the figure given below. Question, what is the significance of the junction X? Delivery of impulse from neurons to other cells. Answer the following questions. Question is mention the importance of thyroxine hormones and the effect caused due to the under secretion of this hormone in our body. Im- Importance of thyroxine regulates carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism effect caused due to the under secretion of the hormone in our body's dietary. Next question is draw the diagram to show the structure of nephron and label Bowman's capsule. Draw this figure. Next, next question. Question is, how does growth independent movements occur in touch me not play? Explain. Movement of the leaves of sensitive plant is grow independent movements. Plant cells change shape by changing the amount of water in them, resulting in swelling or shrinking, and thereby changing shapes. When water moves out of the cells, shrink and leaves fold. When water enters into the cells, they swell and leaves open. Our question is, a potted bean plant is kept in a dark room with a small ventilation. What change can be observed in this plant after 3 or 4 days? Give reason for your answer. Answer is, stem of the pea plant bends towards the small ventilation. This is called as phototropism. When growing plants detect light, a hormone called auxin synthesized at the shoot tip helps the cells to grow longer. When light is coming from one side of the plant, auxin diffuses towards the shady side of the shoot. This con- concentration of auxin stimulates the cells of grow longer on the side on the shoot which is away from light. Thus the plant appears to bend towards light. Next, answer the following questions. The question is, the structure of the human heart is complement to obtain more oxygen and to yield more energy in our body. Justify the statement scientifically. Answer is, the human heart has four chambers. Blood goes through the heart twice during each cycle. This is now as double circulation. The left and right parts of the heart are separated by a thin layer called as septum. The separation is useful to keep oxygenate and deoxygenate blood from mixing. This allows a highly efficient supply of oxygen and to yield more energy to the body. Next question is, draw the diagram to show the structure of human brain. Label. First one is pons, second one is cerebellum. This is diagram. Draw. Next question is, the heartbeat increase as soon as we see a snake. Explain the chemical so ordination that takes place in our body during this situation. Answer is, ad- adrenaline is directly secreted into the blood. The blood to the skin is reduced due to con- construction of muscles around small arteries. The breathing rate increases because of the constructions of the diaphragms and the rib muscles. The heart beats faster, resulting in supply more oxygen to the muscles. Next question is, answer the following questions. Question is mention the different strategies of excretion in the plants. Answer: plants get rid of excesses of water by transpiration. Second one is waste product are stored in cellular vacuoles. Waste product may be stored in leaves that falls off. Resins and gums are stored in old xylem. Some waste substance excreted into the soil from roots. Next question: what is the function of guard cell in stomata? Answer is the opening and closing of the pore. Or mention the role of the following enzymes in the human alimentary canal. First one is cellular amylase, pepsin, trypsin. Cellular amylase breaks down complex starch molecules to simple sugar. Pepsin digests protein. Trypsin digests protein. Next question: what is the peristaltic movement? Rhythmic contraction and relaxations of esophagus. Next question: answer the following questions. Briefly explain the following events that take place in the plant body. Conservation of solar energy into food. Answer: green plants prepare their food through the process of photosynthesis that they utilize solar energy, carbon dioxide, and water. In this process, the process takes place in the chloroplast. Event occur during photosynthesis, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy to chemical energy, splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, reduced of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Next question B. Creation of structure section creation of section pressure during inorganic translations. Evaporation of water molecules from the stomata of leaves due to transpiration creates a suction which pulls water from xylem cells of root. The loss of water in the form of vapor and the aerial parts of the plants is called transpiration. Next question is translocation of food to the tissue that have less pressure. Materials like sucrose is transformed into phloem tissue using energy from ATP. This increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, causing water to move into it. This pressure moves the material in the phloem to tissue which have less pressure. This allows the phloem to move material according the plant's needs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.